Hi guys, how's it going? This is Who's the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and check it out. It's sunny and all the snow is gone. It's like one day snowing, one day sunny. It's so ridiculous living up north BC. Anyways, for today's recipe, I have chicken casserole. It's super simple to make. It's with rice and you don't have to do nothing. You just have to mix everything and cook it, and there you go. You have a nice dinner. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. Melt 1 tablespoon unsalted butter in 9-inch casserole dish. We're just gonna melt it in microwave. Now brush the melted butter all over the casserole, sides up, bottom 2 sides up. Now place 1 cup of rice into the casserole. And we're gonna top it with some of chicken pieces. Now place chicken on top of the rice, and then we're gonna cover this chicken with, or sprinkle this chicken with onion powder. Sprinkle it with onion soup mix and celery salt. Now top it with condensed soup. Now pour 1 can of water and a little more to cover the chicken. Now we're gonna cover it with cling wrap, or you can bake it right away. Cling wrap and chill it in the fridge overnight, or you can bake it right away. Bake the casserole on preheated 325 Fahrenheit for 2 hours depending on your oven.